Now it should be working, but we're live inside the group. Maybe sort of kinda. Let me double check.
We are live.
Live inside the group. Oh, there I am. Okay, so we are live inside the group. For those of you who are inside the event, if you can hear me, get out of the event because for some reason I could not go in there. I don't know what happened, but we're live now. We are inside of the Facebook group. Come on in here, give me a hashtag live or a hashtag replay to let me know when you're watching this, and we will talk and discuss about all the different beautiful points that we talk about today. I have with me here one of our superstar clients inside of the affiliate franchise. Very happy and proud to have him here. He's freaking awesome. His name is Angelo Archie, and he has made 3K in just 2 weeks, and he's rolling along here. Hey, it looks cool. It looks like I have like a closed caption here thing. I didn't know that they did that. Okay, cool. Anyway, so you guys hashtag live, hashtag replay in the comment section. As time rolls on here, make sure that you comment, you reply down below. Let us know what you think. Let us know any questions, comments, concerns, all that good stuff. There will be time at the end for a Q&A. You guys can ask Angelo anything or talk to him about anything. You know, what the weather's like, doesn't matter. Let's go. All right, so Angelo, these beautiful, wonderful people inside the group here, they want to know a few things about you. First of all, they want to know about you. Talk to them about who you are. Tell a little bit about your background.
Yeah. So I'm Angelo, as you guys know. I live here in Michigan. I'm 18 years old, fresh out of high school, just started college, my first year of college here. And I study in business administration, just looking to get into the business world myself.
Nice.
And I grew up out west, so I'm particular in both sides of the country so far. So
Nice.
that's morally, that's me. I'm just a young kid looking to make some money.
When you say young, how old are you?
I'm 18 years old.
There you go, man. I want everybody in the comment section, everybody in the group, on the replays, wherever you are, to remember you're never too young. You're never too young and you're never too old. He came to us, and I remember he didn't have any experience. He didn't know, like, a bare minimum of affiliate marketing, but you're going to tell us about that. How was it coming into affiliate marketing? What was going through your head? Why did you start? Why'd you reach out to us?
Yeah, so my girlfriend actually sent me a TikTok about affiliate marketing, and I looked into it, and one of Joel's affiliates actually reached out to me, and it was great. We had a great conversation back and forth, got on the call with Joel, and just realized, like this is where I want to be. This is what I want to do. I had, like you said, no experience. I had no knowledge of affiliate marketing. I was only looking so far, just trying to get information myself, and I was given this opportunity, and I couldn't be more thankful for being able to take advantage of this opportunity. I wanted to get into this because I wanted to be able to have some funds for myself throughout college. I want to be able to, not have to work every day, as well as taking classes and doing sports or clubs that I want to do. Just, being able to live my life while I'm in college with, no stress about, oh, I got to work 9 to 5 every day. So,
Nice.
yeah, that's pretty much why I got into it. That's why I wanted to pursue this opportunity.
Nice. So 3K in 2 weeks, man. It took me like 8 months to make my first sale. And that's absolutely insane. And there's so many people just getting started. So many people watching now in the group that are thinking, man, I just want to get my first sale. I just want to get this thing going. They're thinking, this guy made 3K in 2 weeks. He's just a kid. What the hell? What was that thing? What was the difference maker working with us that made it so easy for you?
I was able to be myself. That was the difference maker. I didn't have to put on a smile. I didn't have to put on anything. I could be myself when I was talking to everyone, when I was reaching out to people. I was, being my genuine self. I was able to say what I wanted to say, really just, coming from that beginner, type of situation I was in. I was in a beginning situation, and I just wanted to reach out and be, like, hey, I'm there too. I was there too. We're all here, and I just wanted to, give people the opportunity that I was given.
Nice. Nice. I like that. I like that you're in the organic kind of pathway. We have an ads pathway, people with a budget, people that can just get started running ads, and we set up their ad account and everything like that. But you came in like, hey man, I'm a college kid. I don't have like all this money to start running ads. And we set you on this pathway just organically. I think a lot of people in the group can relate to that. They're on a budget, they're sometimes living paycheck to paycheck, and they're thinking, well, how can you guys help me? How can you guys? I don't have a big budget. I can't build a bunch of funnel, can't pay for all this software and stuff. How can you help me? So you tell them, you being experienced in the organic pathway we set you up on, 3K in 2 weeks, doesn't matter. Tell them all about that.
Yeah. So just my biggest advice is just be yourself. That's really what I can say. Be yourself, relate, have genuine interest, have a purpose for doing what you're doing. Don't, I wouldn't go out there just trying to make money. I'm trying to go out there and, connect with people, create this, great opportunity for everyone. And, just build a community around everything. I'm a genuine person. I want to have purpose in what I'm doing. And I just want to connect people with people on a different level. I want to come at them as a friend, not as a salesman, if to say.
Love it. Love it. Okay. As a general businessman, right? As an entrepreneur, budding entrepreneur, and you're going to school for this stuff, just give like general advice, life advice from an 18-year-old just starting an entrepreneurship. Some of the people in the group, they're like 40 and they're just now waking up. They're just starting to think, I can't do this job stuff forever. I got to get into my own business. So it's never too late for them. It's never too early for you. But just in general, give like some kind of opinion, some kind of like, hey, this is what I think, will set you on a path to success, like a mindset thing or something like that.
Yeah. So this is a good question, actually. I would say, just kind of think about where you want to be. What do you want to do with your life? What is your goal? I set goals every month.
Nice.
I set goals every month on where I want to be income, what I want to do each month, what my plans are for a month. And I focus my whole time, my whole month on achieving those goals. So if you're able to set goals for yourself and work to achieve those goals, you're gonna have a successful future. You're gonna be successful, and that goes a long way. Not even just setting goals. If you've set goals for yourself for a while, it just becomes a thing. It becomes habit. Like I want to make, like I said, 3Ks in 2 weeks. I want to make 3K in 2 weeks. Work, you have the mentality, you have the mindset to go and do that. You have the opportunity, you have the resources to go and do that. And once you get into that habit, it's going to be more like 6K every month. You get 3K in every 2 weeks. It's just, I say set goals. That's what I did.
I think that's good advice. That's very inspirational. It's like a lot of people are just kind of willy-nilly, right? They're just, I'm just going to go paycheck to paycheck and whatever happens, happens. I think Angelo's got a great point, guys. Any questions in the comment section, make sure you ask them because we're about to head to a Q&A, but that's an amazing point. Not writing things out, not, what are my performance indicators? How do I know that I'm actually meeting my goals? And you may not see income right away, but you may say, hey, let me post this many things today. Let me talk to this many people per day. Let me, whatever those goals may be, give a number to them. That way, you know that you're actually meeting those goals. For me, exercise has been a big thing lately. And I'm like 30 minutes, just a timer set, 30 minutes. Doesn't matter what I do. Sometimes I don't feel it. Sometimes like I don't want to work out today. At least walk for 30 minutes, something to know that over the long haul, over a long period of time, I am at least moving forward and meeting those goals. So I think Angelo's got a great point there. Number one, let's go. Who's got some questions? I see people joining, not having questions, and I'm incredibly upset with you. Let's go. So right now we'll open it up for Q&A. And by all means, if you're jumping on this on the replay, you can still ask questions. Just at Angelo, he's in the group as well. He'll answer your questions. He'll jump into the comment section and talk to you. Anything at all. Anybody got any questions before we head out of here? I see Joe joined. How's it going, Joe? Joe's on his day off. Joe's one of our staff members. He's awesome. Kevin, who just joined the staff. He's a new staff member. He's just jumped in. Jonathan, another one of our affiliates. How's it going, man? Nice. Okay, I don't see any questions coming in just yet, but again, on the replay, or if something comes up afterwards, just put at Angelo Archie. Oh, I see a question coming in. What products are you selling and how can I get in? I'll let you answer that, Angelo.
So basically just selling the program, not really selling the program, honestly. I don't want to say selling because that just sounds like a salesman. I don't like that, you know. It's giving an opportunity to give people the resources and the opportunity to make money for themselves, to get their income, to quit that 9 to 5. You know, that's basically what we're selling here. I don't like that word selling because it's not selling. You know, we're a tight knit community here. We're a family basically, and we're always open to, you know, accepting new family members.
He also asked, how do you get in? Eddie Sosa, just talk to Angelo, man. He's in the group. Send him a message. You know, get in with him. He'll have a conversation with you and break it down. Any other questions? It looks like he had like an emoji that didn't pop up. That's pretty awesome. I didn't know that it did that. All right. Any questions even on the replay, guys? Again, somebody said all ears. Oh, he said, got you. Thanks. All right, cool. So expect the message from Eddie. He'll talk to you.
Sounds great.
Yeah. So again, on the replay, guys, just at Angelo if you have questions for him or if you have questions for me. Oh, Christy just came in. How much time a day have you been spending on this? That's a good question. That's probably a question in a lot of people's minds.
Yeah. No, that's a great question. I honestly spend about an hour, maybe 2 hours a day. You know, if I'm like I said, I have a goal. If I want to work harder or work more, which you don't need to. But if you're that type of person that just wants to keep going, you're able to keep going. But honestly, an hour a day, that's pretty much all you need for this, is just an hour a day, just some spare time.
And that question came in from the infamous Christy Love. I want to second that and say one of the reasons he can do an hour or 2 hours max a day is because we're doing a lot of heavy lifting for him. We're the affiliate franchise and we work as a team. Christy says, got it. Thank you. Absolutely. If you're on your own, and you can, by all means, guys, if you can start affiliate marketing on your own, you got like 10 hours a day, go ahead. You know, there's nothing stopping you, you know. There's plenty of free resources out there. You can YouTube all day long. You can Google all day long. But for those of you in the group who've tried that, you've noticed that it sucks because there's a lot of information. You don't know where to go, what to do, how to start, any of that stuff. And the only thing that happens when you learn more information is that problem increases, right? Because now you just have a whole table full of information. You have 87 ways of how to start, 9,000 ways of how to get going, 8 million ways of how to sell. And it's, you know, 5 billion products. It never ends. So I like to say you want to go vertical instead of horizontal. And what I mean by that is vertical is everything else out here is done for you, and you go straight in a straight line. We give Angelo a few just quick set of criteria to meet every single day. His goals are laid out. He knows exactly what to do. Bing, bang, boom. And we take care of the rest. You know, or you can do affiliate marketing the old-fashioned way and not have any help whatsoever. And good luck figuring it all out. You know, that's not to be mean. It took me 8 months to make my first sale because I had that same experience where I didn't want to get any help. Sometimes I couldn't get the investment going, but you know, you bang your head against the wall long enough and work for 16 hours a day, you'll figure it out.
Yep.
But that is an option. I want to make sure everybody knows that is an option. The other option is talk with Angelo and get you set up with the team here if you want to join in, and we'll build everything out for you and get you a set of goals that you can meet every single day to start seeing these 3K every 2 weeks. Yep. All right. Any other questions? Looks like I've been binge watching all your videos, Joel. Hey, Christy, I think I've seen you over on YouTube. I seen you over there. Jordan says, Eddie Sosa, nice to see you here, man. Jordan knows my guy, Eddie Sosa there. Joe says, for our audience, do they have to be as handsome as Angelo to make it work? Joe's always got to slip in one of his jokes.
Man.
Do you want to answer that?
I mean, oh man, I don't know what to say to that. Oh.
For all the females down in the comment section, he is not single. I apologize. He's not single. He did mention his girlfriend earlier. I'm sorry. I know that probably broke a lot of hearts, but he is not. All right. If there's any other questions, I got to get going here. I got a few meetings to get to. Busy day helping all the clients inside the program. And hopefully one of you guys is, down in the comment section is going to join us pretty soon so I can work with you. But got to get going here. If there's any other questions, comment down below. Angelo will get to you. See you guys. I'm the infamous Joel. That's Angelo Archie, and we're out.